Right now, these hyper-realistic talking object skits
The Crumbleton, a talking loaf of bread, declares war on a smug toaster he
are going crazy viral on TikTok and Reels. These videos get millions of views because they turn everyday domestic arguments into high-stakes cinematic drama. In this tutorial, you'll see exactly how to create these character-driven stories from scratch using AI. First, open the link for the Object Drama GPT I left in the description. It opens right inside ChatGPT. Click on the Start Chat button. Now type in your episode idea. For this example, type something like a talking loaf of bread. Hit enter. The GPT will now generate a full 5-part scripted story arc. You will see 5 distinct beats: the opening, the counterattack, the escalation, the tragic realization, and the punchline. Each beat includes the character name, the dialogue, the emotional expression, and a ready-to-use image prompt. Look for the grey code blocks. Click the copy button in the top right corner of the first code block. This copies the prompt for your first scene. Scroll down and do the same for the other 4 beats. You can paste these into a Notes app or keep the tab open for the next step. Now open Google Flow. Click on the Create New Image button. You will see a text field at the top of the interface. Paste your first prompt from the GPT right there. Now look for the Model Selector drop-down. Click on it and choose Imagen 4. This model is perfect for these hyper-realistic textures and expressive facial features. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical social media. Make sure the quality is set to high. Click the Generate button. While that first image is rendering, clear the prompt field. Paste your second prompt from the GPT and hit Generate again. Repeat this for all 5 beats of your story. Once they are all finished, click the Download button on each image. You now have your 5 cinematic keyframes. One more thing before we move on, you can download the character reference image from the link in the description. Every time you generate a new scene, upload this reference image alongside your prompt in Google Flow. This ensures your characters look exactly the same across every single shot. Now we need to bring these objects to life, so go to Flex Clip. Click on the Image to Video tool. Upload your first image from shot 1. Now look for the model selector and choose Clean Standard 2.6. This model provides the most stable facial animations for talking objects. Set the output resolution to 1080p. In the motion prompt field, type a short description like dramatic talking mouth movements and subtle eye blinks. Click Generate and let the AI animate the scene. When that is done, upload your second image and repeat the process. Do this for all 5 images until you have 5 video clips. Download all your clips once they are ready. Now, if you want to skip all that manual work, there's a much faster way to scale this entire process. We put together everything you need inside our school community. The link is in the description. Go to the lesson for this specific workflow. You'll find the exact prompts ready to copy. Now grab those prompts and paste them into our custom Airtable template. The link is right there in the lesson. Click the link and duplicate the template to your own Airtable workspace. You will see a table with a column labeled Episode Idea. Type your idea in that column and hit the automation button at the top. The system runs everything automatically in the background. It generates the script, creates the images, and organizes all your assets in one place so you don't have to switch between tabs. Now your video needs a theatrical soundtrack, so go back to Flex Clip. In the music search bar, type something like dramatic orchestral comedy or cinematic tension. Browse the results and pick a track that fits the high-stakes vibe of your argument. Download the track. Now go to the sound effects section in Flex Clip, search for kitchen sounds and wrapper effects to match the environment of the bread. Click Generate for each character and download the audio files. For the narration, go to 11 Labs. This is where we get those expressive voices. Paste your script from the GPT into the text field. Browse the voice library and pick a voice that sounds aggressive for the bread. Download those effects to add layers to your edit. Now open CapCut to pull it all together. Import your 5 video clips, your music, your sound effects, and your voiceover files. Drag your video clips onto the timeline in the correct order. Lay the voiceover tracks on top and line them up so the audio matches the mouth movements on screen. Drop your music track underneath and lower the volume so it stays in the background. Add your sound effects right on the transitions or when a specific action happens. Trim any dead space between the arguments to keep the pacing fast. Your video is now ready to post. You could upload it manually, but if you want to be smart, use a scheduling tool. If you are on a budget, go with Metricool to handle the basics. If you want the absolute best experience, use Vista Social. Upload your video once, write your caption, and schedule it across TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, all at once. You can schedule an entire month of drama in one afternoon and let the algorithm do the work. Remember, the prompts, the Airtable template, and the full workflow are waiting for you in the school community. Link in the description.